Good morning, dear students. Today I wish to tell you a very important difference between adverb and adjective. Because when we do these two topics, most of the time there is confusion in our mind. So let us have a quick look at some examples. See, this is first sentence. This is a tall building. Now if we see this sentence, the word building, what is it? Yes, you're right. This is a noun. Now when we talk about the word tall, what is the tall word is telling you about which thing? Out of this sentence, which word is tall? Actually, the tall word is speaking about building, that the building is tall. So this word tall becomes our adjective. Why? Because it tells you about a noun. Okay? Now let us see some next example. When we say this is a very tall building, so that means in these two sentences, by means of understanding, we have a difference. This is tall and this is very tall means little more than that tall. So, very word is telling you about the degree of this tall or the intensity, that how tall. So, that is why in this sentence, tall is again an adjective and very becomes our adverb. Alright? So we should always remember that adverbs are those words that tell you about any verb or they tell you about an adjective. Okay? I'll pick up one more example to make it more clear to you. See, she is walking fast. Now here, walking word is an action verb. So we have walking as a verb. It is a verb. Now, when we say that how is she walking? She is walking fast. So fast word tells us that how the action of walking is going on. Is it slowly? Is it fast? Is it quietly? So fast word is my adjective. Adverb, and we have done the kind of adverbs. This is adverb of manner because it tells you the manner in which walking is done. Now, so we can say this is adverb of manner or how. That tells you about how an action is being done. Now look at next sentence. When we say she is walking very fast or she is walking so fast, she is walking too fast. Now these words very, so or too, they tell you more about the word fast. Now please understand there are two things that you should understand over here. One is fast word tells you about walking, that how walking is being done. Alright, I am symbolizing it with the help of this arrow. So fast word is describing, is telling, is adding more information about my verb. Right, walking is my verb. So fast is my adverb. But the words like very, so or too, they tell you more about your adverb. Alright, because they are adding more meaning to this word fast. So we can say that an adverb tells you about a verb. First point. An adverb tells you about an adjective also. Tells you about means it speaks more about. Gives you more information about your adjective also. And an adverb can also speak or can also tell more about your adverb as well. Okay. So I'm again summarizing this because this is very important. Whenever you see sentences where you have adverb that speak about your verbs, then you have sentences where adverbs speak about your adjective. Then you have sentences where your adverbs, they speak about another adverb which is used in the sentence. For example, if I say the pen writes neatly. So neatly is my adverb. The pen writes much neatly. So much also becomes my adverb. Alright. Similarly, I'll take one example. The pen is beautiful. Now here beautiful is not an adverb because it tells you about pen. It is describing this noun. Okay. So don't get confused. Similarly, this tall, beautiful, they are adjectives. They are telling you about noun. But when you say the pen is so beautiful, then the word so, then the word very, they become your adverb. So that is all for today. Please focus on these things, that how do you differentiate between an adverb and an adjective in your sentences. Goodbye. Take care.